Kendall Jenner reveals that she has her own squad and calls out her sister Kylie Jenner for being on her phone all the time. Hey guys, it's Ali, and Kendall just did this cover for Allure looking super gorgeous per usual, and reveals to the mag she has her very own squad, including Hailey Baldwin, Cara Delevingne, and Gigi Hadid. She goes on to say, quote, "This is going to sound really lame, but we all call ourselves the supernatural friend group because we all have such cool individual lives and we've been dreaming about them since we were so young. I'm a Scorpio, so I stick to people. If I love you, I love you. If I don't like you, you're screwed." Well, I'm a Gemini and I think horoscopes are annoying. But anyway, I always knew Kendall was a ride or die bestie. Kinda wish she was in my squad, to be honest. But alright, Kendall also discusses her pet peeve. People focus on their phones more than their surroundings, and that the biggest culprit is none other than her sister, Kylie, who she has a quick story about. We were sitting in a car, I was just zoning out, taking it all in, and Kylie wouldn't put her phone down. I'm like, that's so crazy to me that you're not experiencing this. Yeah, that sounds like Kylie, but Kendall goes on to say that was the moment it kind of clicked for me, and I didn't like it. So sometimes I delete Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat off my phone for a couple of days. Yeah, Kendall, I feel the same. But okay, please don't deactivate your Instagram ever. We already lost Justin. We can't afford to lose you too.
We're in this together.